Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. Now your job is to listen carefully to the 3 words I'm going to say, and you need to pick the 2 words that have the same beginning sound. So they're going to start the same. Okay? If you don't know what one of the pictures is, don't worry because I'll be telling you what it is. So our first 3 pictures are peas, pancake, lettuce. 2 of them start the same, 1 of them doesn't. Peas, pancake, lettuce. One more time. Peas, pancake, lettuce. Which 2 start with the same sound? I hope you said peas and pancake, because they both start with pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, peas and pa, pa, pancake. So now you see I'm getting ready for our next one. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to be listening for the beginning sounds and matching the 2 that start with the same sound. So our pictures are yogurt, orange juice, and yams. So here we go. 2 of them start with the same sound. Yogurt, orange juice, yam. Yogurt, orange juice, yam. One more time. Yogurt, orange juice, yam. Which 2 start with the same sound? Did you hear that yogurt and yam both start with ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, yogurt and ya, ya, yam. Okay, here come our next set of pictures. We have pear, rice, pineapple. Listen for the beginning sound that the words start with. Pear, rice, pineapple. Pear, rice, pineapple. One more time. Pear, rice, pineapple. Which 2 start with the same sound? Did you say pear and pineapple? Because they both start with pa, pa, pa. Okay, so our first picture up on the board is called bok choy. Bok choy. And the next picture is bacon, and then we have some rolls. So here we go. Match the beginning sounds. Bok choy, bacon, rolls. Bok choy, bacon, rolls. One more time. Bok choy, bacon, rolls. Which 2 pictures start with the same sound? Did you say the 2 that start with ba, ba, ba? Bok choy and bacon both start with ba. Okay, now we have some turkey and some sort of a bar, maybe a cereal bar. So we're just going to say bar for that one. And a couple of tacos. So here we go. Listen for the beginning sound. Turkey, bar, tacos. Turkey, bar, tacos. One more time. Turkey, bar, tacos. Which 2 start with the same sound? Did you say turkey and tacos? Because they both start with t, 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 turkey and t, t, tacos. Okay, here go our next pictures. Oh, I think I'm putting these up a little crooked. That's okay. Okay, we have soy sauce, salsa, peanut butter. Soy sauce, salsa, peanut butter. One more time. Soy sauce, salsa, peanut butter. Which two start with the same sound? Did you hear at the beginning of soy sauce and salsa? I hope you did. Give me a high five. Good job.